So the main purpose of ROBOTT-NET is to collect and share the latest knowledge about robot technologies. That's why we've gathered here the end users, technology providers, members of academia, investors who can learn more about capabilities of ROBOTT-NET Consortium.
So my advice to anyone looking to implement robotics would be to start by picking the right application, which means you want to pick something that's simple to do. Typically non-value-add tasks such as pick and place or maybe palletizing. Make sure that it's going to pay for itself, so you spend enough money doing that task that if you automate it, it's going to release some benefit. There's no point in you spending precisely the same amount of money as it costs you to do now, because you're not going to get anywhere.
So we're interested in all aspects of automation, not just robotics. We manufacture a lot of special purpose machines to help facilitate the assembly of our power units, generally to improve repeatability and quality of low volume, high value components.
I think the event was really good. I thought the lectures were really on trend with stuff we've been thinking about, and the round tables really brought out a diverse and interesting mix of opinions.
Today's been great to talk to other people to see what their challenges are, and also to see what they're doing here at the MTC, get some inspiration.
So the benefit of an event like today with ROBOTT-NET is that it allows customers of all sizes, SME to small scale and then large international companies, to all see what the current technology trends are in industry, how they're going to impact and affect their manufacturing and production environments and the logistics and supply chain. And from the integrator's perspective, it allows them to make connections and to also see new emerging technologies that they should be incorporating into their workflows to provide to their customers so that they get a better solution.